Hey there, good day and welcome to VTalks. Today I'll be sharing with you how to make homemade yogurt from the comfort of your kitchen with ease. So please do not forget to leave your comments, subscribe to this channel, like, and turn on your notification bell for more videos. Yeah. So for the sake of today's tutorial, I'll be using the 50 cl measurement for water. Measure into a very clean pot so it doesn't affect the color and taste of your water. Measure 6 tablespoons of milk. Make sure your milk is instant filled milk. Instant filled milk works better for homemade yogurt. Now, turn into your boiling water and stir. Make sure you stir real good. You would want to stir better so you don't see lumps when your milk gets cold. So you really have to stir your mixture very well. Take it all off the heat and also stir real good off the heat also. Now I'll be introducing my culture starter. Yeah, which is called Nunu in the northern part of Nigeria, but it is cow milk, the regular cow milk they sell in the market. Yeah, I'm still stirring. So this is my culture starter, which is cow milk. Just 2 spoons is enough for the quantity of milk I have, which is 50 cl. Now stir also and then close, cover really tight so it doesn't get exposed to air. Now you can see I covered mine. You can cover it this side and also wrap with a very thick cloth. You can see I'm using a towel to cover my mixture. Now after covering, you need to store in a very warm place. You need to store it in a very warm place. You can use a cooler, a flask, but I'm using my oven. I use my oven and I left overnight. So this is the next day and I'll show you what my yogurt looks like. So it looks thicker and smells sad a little. So I want mine to be a strawberry flavored yogurt. So I'm using a strawberry flavor, just a little, not even up to a cup. And also I'm introducing my color, so it gives me this light shade of pink. But if you want it to be a plain yogurt, you can just use your vanilla flavor or any flavor and any color of your choice, depending on what you want to make. So yeah, my yogurt is ready. I've also added my sweetener or sugar, and also you can add your preservative here, which is sodium benzoate. You can add if you do not want to consume immediately. So keep stirring so your sugar, your sweetener dissolves. And yes, my yogurt is ready. You can refrigerate and serve to enjoy. So I'll be waiting to see your trials on the comment section. Don't forget to leave your comments, like, subscribe. See you, bye.